Hello everybody, so I'm back from the ocean. I hope you enjoyed the footage of my hard work of me being in the ocean. Me and Miss Traveler, I told you we love to be active in the water. I get in the water, I do not wrap my hair up, I do not do any of that. And this is how it looks right after the ocean. I would say it held up the curls really good. It's a little frizzy, but I like that. I love big hair and I love a big hairstyle. I have to wash this hair. It feels a little bit dry, and as you can see, it's a little bit fuzzy, like frizzy, a little bit. So in order for me to get the curls back to where they were before, I'm going to have to separate them. So when I wash them, you're gonna see my hands do this. I don't do this. I do not do this. No, I do this. And I just let the shampoo and the conditioner run down the strands, and I actually concentrate on my scalp. I make sure I concentrate on my own hair, not the weave, not the fake hair. I concentrate on my real hair. That's what makes your hair grow. So I'm wearing my hair up for a long time. I'm gonna grow it back down to my waist. And this is my routine of when I'm in the ocean. I don't wrap my hair up. I don't cover it up. I don't wear a bonnet. I don't wear a cap over my hair. My hair is just like this when I'm in the ocean. So hopefully you enjoying this video. Please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more. And like I said, here's this how the hair looks out the ocean. It feels a little bit brittle and a little bit harder than it was before I got in the salt water. So we're gonna change that. We're gonna use Olaplex shampoo. This is what I love to use, and Olaplex conditioner. These are the two double duty shampoos and conditioners that I love to use every single day when I'm swimming. When I'm at home, I change my routine a little bit. When I'm in the ocean, these two are what I use. They put moisture back onto my scalp. Like I said, I really don't care about the weave. It's my scalp and my real hair that I'm concentrating on. So let's go wash my hair. Let's go. Here is my Olaplex number 4 and 5. I have all the numbers, but these are the numbers that I use when I go swimming or I scuba dive. So I want to clarify my hair. I use this, and I have every number of the Olaplex line. I recommend it. If you want it, the links will be in the bio. So let's get started. I'm going to run my hair under the water and get it soaking wet. I'm going to use the balls of my fingers. Just the balls of my fingers, not my nails. And I'm going to gently massage my hair. I'm going to make sure that I can feel that it's wet. Once it's wet to my liking, uh-oh. My camera fell.
Oh no.
You know, I'm not redoing this video. I'm not editing. We're going to start again. So here is my shampoo. I'm going to start with my shampoo. I have about 2/4 sizes, and I'm going to give it a big dollop, and I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on my scalp. Getting my balls of my fingers together I'm going to work on my edges, work on my hair. Like I said, I do not go all the way down the shaft of the weave. I just concentrate on my scalp because that's what's most important to me. I pull the hair loose from each other because it likes to tangle, and I just separate it. Again, using the balls of my finger, I massage my scalp, not disturbing my braids that I have below it. And I'm going to gently massage it. Then I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to do this twice. As the water is running through, I want to make sure I separate the strands as much as I can. That's what cuts the frizz. I'm using the balls of my fingers a lot, and I'm separating my hair. I'm separating the strands. And that's it. I'm going to rinse it out and go ahead and add my conditioner 2 times. I'm going to give it a good rinse, which I love in the cruise bathroom, that I can take the shower head off and use it to my advantage, and I love that. So here's the conditioner. I'm adding the conditioner one more time, and I'm going to go ahead, soak my hair with it. I'm going to actually leave the conditioner in for 10 minutes while I wash the rest of my body. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Again, I'm going to wrap my hair up, grab my hair tie, tie it up, leave it in for 10 minutes. I use a very big hair tie to tie my hair. Leave it in 10 minutes. When I come back and the 10 minutes is up, do what I had to do, take care of my business in the shower, take it down. Again, separate the strands as the water is flowing. And that's it. Another hair tip is you want to make sure you rinse out your hair ties or anything that you put in your hair, because I want to make sure that's clean. You want to make sure your scalp is clean if you're on your hair journey with me. So comment below and let me know if you love this. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you love it. And subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Go back and watch 2 other episodes of this hair, and I'm going to show you a new hair really soon. Stay tuned. This is the night that I washed my hair out. Decided to wear it up in a bun because it was soaking wet. And the next video will be me back at home. This is the next day. This is how it looks after I wash it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.